Hi there, Excel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we uncover the amazing features of Microsoft Excel. Today we have a fantastic topic to discuss that will take your Excel skills to the next level. We'll be exploring how to dynamically color rows and columns in Excel when clicked. But before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting Excel tutorial. Open your Excel workbook and locate the table where you want to implement dynamic coloring of rows and columns. In our example, we have a table with various data points. Let's get started. Now, select all the table using keyboard shortcut, Ctrl A. Then go to the Home tab. Then click on Conditional Formatting button and select New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula bar, enter the formula that determines when the formatting should be applied. Equal or open parentheses column open parentheses and close parentheses again equal cell, then open parentheses, then double quotation, call, double quotation again, close parentheses, then comma, row, open parentheses and close parentheses again, equal cell, then open parentheses and double quotation, row, then double quotation, then close parentheses twice. Now click on the format, then go to fill and choose your preferred color. Go to border, then here choose your color, then choose the border here, then OK, then apply OK. As you can see, now go to the name of the sheet, right click, then go to view code. From here choose worksheet, then write application.calculate. So now you have to save your project or your file as macro. Click here, then from here select Excel macro enable workbook. It's essential. Then name your file test1. Desktop where one, then save. Now go back to your worksheet. As you can see, how cool is that? With just a few clicks and the power of conditional formatting, you can create an interactive and visually appealing experience in Excel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button if you found this tutorial helpful. We love hearing from our audience, so feel free to comment below and let us know what the other Excel topics you'd like us to cover. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to keep exploring the limitless possibilities of Excel and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Until next time, happy Excelling!